Guys, have you ever done something without thinking, but then you realize you messed up? Well, that's happened to me too many times. And I had to apologize a lot. So today I'm gonna teach you how to say sorry the right way with 52 essential life skills. Saying I'm sorry is like pressing the reset button on a game. You get a chance to start all over and do better next time. Okay, here's how you do it. Start by saying you're sorry to the person you hurt. Don't make any excuses or blame someone. Take full responsibility for your actions. Just simply saying sorry and not looking the person in the eye is like fake apologizing. For the other person, it's like eating their favorite food but not tasting anything. So make your apology sincere and show the other person you mean it. Sometimes saying sorry is enough, but sometimes you might need to do more. Think about how you can make it up to the person you hurt, like offering to help them or making them a card. For example, one time I did a cartwheel and kicked my sister on accident. I asked if she was okay and gave her an ice pack and apologized. And I also gave her a cookie. This is called making amends. Apologizing is like taking medicine for your heart. It may not taste good, but it helps you feel better in the long run. Apologizing shows that we are all human and we all make mistakes sometimes. Some people think apologizing means you're weak, but it's actually showing how strong you are. Learn from your mistake and try to avoid making the same mistake in the future. Thank you for watching. You're probably going to know what I'm going to say, but I'm going to say it anyway. 52 essential life skills!